Now if you look off to the right side, look straight down, that is the Arizona Spillway. Drops down 550 feet to re-enter the Colorado River. I give you a better view of it up around the next bend or so. I can't stop, I have to keep moving, and I have an officer right behind me. Well, he's pulling somebody over. I hope it's not me. No, not me. That red car that was dropping off in the middle of the dam. And like I said, the Arizona state sign, move further back with the parking lot. Here's the Arizona state sign. Now during World War II, they had 5 pillboxes surrounding this dam to protect it. There's only one that you can actually see, and during 9/11 they were manned. I know because I was here. Now anyone, I'll point it out to you in a minute. You really can't see it right now. Look off to the right, look straight down, panoramic view of the Arizona Spillway. Take a quick. I can actually drop this bus down there. The guys on the skateboards would really love it. But since the new bypass bridge has opened, this road right here is no longer in use, only for touring the dam. It ends at the top where we're actually going. Now look off to the left, look over there where those 2 towers are. See that clump of rocks? It looks like it has a slit through the top of it. That's a pillbox. Or a bunker, whichever you prefer. The slits are gun ports. Okay, now this is the area that you would come over and take pictures of. Let me take a quick poll. Who would want to stop to take a couple pictures? No one. No one? Okay, we keep on trucking. Well, my outside thermometer says 107. A lot of times early in the morning, this is where you'll find some of the bighorn sheep is up in this area looking for food. And deer too.
I'm good. My call was accidental. I do. Did you just send it? Well, why don't you tell me just in case my email is having an issue? Who's that from?
Is there anybody you want to take with you for the templates, or?
Is he overflowing on that?
Yes. No, I got it in there. It's spit away.
Well, that's, yeah. Yeah, that'd be one that we just want to make sure we, you know, if it takes two, we just get it right the first time. So what is it that we're going to make for the restoration? Is it trim or? Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. So is it basically trim or? Well, it certainly is. Any other highlights during the week? They don't have to be that big a highlight. So once you're trying to get in on access on my computer, it doesn't work.
You know what? When I connect this, maybe we did after all of us.
Okay. Well, then you can always defer to Bruce since he does have the oldest. Oh my, yes. Yours was. Well, good. Probably. Probably. Right now we're sitting on top of the Hoover Dam. We're driving across it.
Now, 98 men did die on during the construction of the dam. A lot from heat exhaustion, and the first man that died and the last man that died was father and son. Yes, a few died from carbon dioxide poisoning, and a few from falling.
Oh yeah.
A lot from dehydration.
Well, it sounds like it's going
This
well.
is where our salt tablets originated from, as well as the hard hat. Hard hat was also founded here. And the other thing
very good. Sounds good.
that came about, the dam in town in Boulder City, some of the original buildings during the construction of the dam, because the dam was built ahead of schedule and under budget, they built some of them in Boulder City to the workers for $1. That is where our dollar sale came in to effect. Anyone get over to where the angels are? That's for the men who worked and died on the dam. They say if you run up the angel's toes, you will have good luck. And if you notice, the toes are quite bright. Yes, this is where our copper, you find copper up in this area. If you went through the museum or looked around at all, you would see some of the copper that is found in this area. I think the visitor center should have some displayed. And a hard scalar statue.